Greetings, everyone. My name is Marina Buzinik. I'm head of talents in Qubit Labs, and today we are going to talk about the tools that our recruitment team is using in order to make their life easier and their search more efficient. So we categorized the main tools into following categories. So talent sourcing and networking, candidate management and screening, technical understanding and analysis, communicating and scheduling, and productivity and organization. So let me start with sourcing and networking. That would be, of course, LinkedIn on the first place. I think that all of you are aware of this network. We use it for job posting and, of course, as our main recruitment tool in order to search candidates. This might be active or passive candidates. We build our network there. This is number one, especially in IT sphere, where you are usually not waiting for a lot of applications and you have to search for the candidates yourself and build your connections for the future. So Recruit M would be a tool that allows for searches for candidates on several platforms at the same time, right? Like LinkedIn, GitHub, Stack Overflow, Dribble, in Twitter. X-Ray, of course, we use for searching the candidates. It is using generic search engines to search profiles, professional groups, CVs, etc. Also, on all the following social media platforms, as I mentioned before, you can, of course, adjust your search using and or not, where and will add something that you want to the search, not will exclude, as you understand. We are also using sometimes Telegram groups and channels search tool. It is a browser extension that is helping us to find certain groups that are called by like the name of the technology, different developer societies. Maybe it can be divided by location, country, or just the technology, different options. Of course, next group is also very important, candidate management and screening. Applicant tracking system, ATS, that is called. I think that you all heard of such platforms. Of course, it is very important to manage your candidates properly. And nowadays, I think no one is using Excel for these purposes anymore. So it is important to, first of all, to create a vacancy, then to add your candidates, to move them through different stages and processes that helps you to avoid duplications, or contact the same candidate multiple times. It helps you screening and sorting candidates properly, and it can even help you to make drafts with rejections or even with job offers, where you can just create it once and then it automatically creates a draft. So, of course, a life of a modern recruiter, in my opinion, is not imaginable without applicant tracking system, if we are talking, of course, about the company. So the next group, technical understanding and analysis. There is such an application called Glossary Tech that helps non-that tech people to understand what are we talking about and all these difficult technical terms. So it is a free Google browser plugin that helps recruiters understand the technology stack with an online glossary, CV scanner, and tech resume analysis tool. Next group, productivity and organization. There are different applications that are helping you to highlight certain words and to show them in the different pages or even in the resumes. These are also browser extensions like highlighty, multi-highlight, highlight this. I believe these are plenty of them. It is improving the efficiency of scanning documents or web content for the relevant information. One tab, also a browser extension that consolidates multiple tabs into a single page, like what should be divided by different pages would be in one huge page that helps you to work with a lot of information that is like a each day life of a recruiter who is working with a huge amount of information every day. Okay, communication and scheduling. I would say that the main tools are Calendly and Grammarly. Calendly, I'm sure that a lot of you heard of it. It helps you scheduling interviews, so you can be just sending the link and candidates can be choosing the correct time, the times that suits them the most, and create an interview by themselves. So it helps you and the candidate to save time scheduling the interview, talking like when will it be best for you? Are you available Tuesday, Monday? Just send the link and it is scheduled like this in 1 or 2 minutes. And of course, Grammarly, especially when English is not your native language. However, you have to hold your conversation in English and write letters. That would be very helpful, especially in the beginning. It will check spelling, grammar mistakes, and so on. Highly recommended. And yes, it's also a Chrome extension or it can be a web tool. And it will help you to improve your communication skills. That's it for today. I hope that it was useful for you. See you. Bye.